Welcome back to the channel, so one field at a time. Alright, good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel, so one field at a time. If you're new here, please do like, subscribe, press that notification bell and all the rest of it and what have you to see our videos and what have you. We're a caravanning channel, we like to go off grid and stuff like that, but also hopefully in the future show you a few more of our travels and stuff. So we just show you what we get up to, do the odd little site review and stuff and give some little tips and tricks and whatnot. So yeah, so it's good to have you along, and if you are returning, thanks for coming back and watching. So this week we are out at Riverside Gardens. I think I mentioned it in the last video when we was at the Yorkshire region meet. If you haven't seen that one, check it out. So we're just 2 nights away, another quick weekend away. Nice little site. It's a caravan and camping club, or camping and caravanning club. I don't know if it's CS or CL because they're both thinking out of the motorhome ones and stuff. But it's a little independent, really small, great little site, little river running through it, which the kids like. So we're just hoping for a bit of sunshine so we can get on paddle boards, canoes, get in the water, and generally just have a good time. So yeah, so we're about to pick the kids up, get the caravan hooked up and get on the road. So yeah, it's about an hour away from where we are. So we will see you on the road and then we will speak to you when we get to site. Okay, so that's us set up at Riverside Gardens, and we've got a bit of a video of us driving in, but not setting up, so we're rushing about. But I'll show you the pitch. I'll turn you around. I'll just a little on in this time. Pictures are massive, but they're nice. The new Caravan, still very happy with that. And then the beauty of this site, your own personal pitch. Over the river. And Neve's trying to catch us our tea. You caught out yet?
I didn't see little fishes in that little thing.
Yeah.
I don't remember doing it.
And we got the pitch with a swing this time as well.
I was a spiteful person. I put it in your chair.
I don't remember doing it.
So yeah, tight pitches, but ample enough for what you need for the weekend. So yeah, caravan looking lovely. So yeah, that's the setup. Oh, Harry's gone outside and what have you. He was hiding in here, so we better go outside. So yeah, I think we're gonna chill out, take in the river, have a few drinks and a bite to eat as usual and what have you. So yeah, we'll maybe get some shots as the sun going down and things like that. But yeah, just a chilled evening and then a relaxed morning really. So just a quiet weekend. So not loads happening, but nice and relaxed, which is much needed.
I'm going on paddleboard with.
So Neve's gone, got in a wetsuit and getting straight in the water. And she is all ready, Season the sunshine, so we don't know what it's going to be like tomorrow. Careful. Is it cold?
It's warm, isn't it?
No.
Of course it's not warm. It's a river.
Yeah, you'll warm up. Right, just watch out the way then. So just stand on the side, darling.
Stand there. You ready? Okay. Right, just sort of throw it in and leave with it. But you don't want this bit, trust me. You go with it. Oh, it's lovely and warm. It's not that bad, is it?
It's definitely deeper than what it has been previous years, isn't it?
So I was worried it would be too shallow to paddle for.
Yeah.
You always go upstream first, so when you're knackered, you can get back.
You can just drift back down.
How do you get on it? Jump up. Right. Keep going about there. Just about there. Then you have to sit down and stand up. You're gonna be facing wrong.
Yeah, you want to face forward, darling?
That way. That's where we're going. You got that?
You're all there. He's trying to stand up, see how this ends. Surfing. Good morning everyone. So once again we didn't vlog last night. Later on we got sat outside, had a few drinks and chilled out by the river, and then it started to rain, so we all piled in and watched the end of the football. So yeah, so just chilled out there again today. Probably not a lot to show you. We'll see what we do. The weather is looking touch and go. It's a bit grey out there, but it's meant to be 50-50 whether it's going to rain or not, so fingers crossed the sun comes out, we can get in the river and whatnot and stuff. So we're going to get dressed and then we are going to have a nice fry up, yeah?
Mhm.
Yeah, we're going to have a nice fry up. George is done already. Look at George, look. As soon as you're away in the caravan, that's all he does. Sleepy dog. So yeah, so let's get some breakfast on the go and then see where the day takes us. Alright then, breakfast done. So yeah, so chill out. So Neve's doing some photography bits. What are you doing? Filming on it?
Yeah.
Alright, it'll fill your memory card up. But yeah, we thought we'd bring little George for a walk. So another little thing about this site, which is a little bonus, is the little dog walking area. So there's a full secure dog walking bit, which is great for like the morning and that. George has been in it already this morning, but we're just going to bring him to show you. Sun's coming out now as well, warming up. Ash, are you going to see your friend? Go on then. Neve makes friends everywhere she goes. So yeah. Not interested in the ball. So yeah, proper little secure bit, which is great for us, charging the best off his lead. Only small, but it's good. There he goes. He's so not interested in the ball when he's out. Too many smells. So yeah, cracking little spot for your dogs really. So we'll let George enjoy this, tire himself out a little bit. Then we'll go chill. I don't know what we're doing today though. I don't think we're not sure if we're going to head out yet. If we do, we'll bring you along and show you.
Can you stand up?
No.
Ask Uncle Dan to help you. Or Aunt Laura. Are you going back on? It's out! Is he gonna fall? Is he gonna do it? You need to be a bit more.
Okay, so that's us finished with the paddle boards. It looks like it's going to chuck it down. It's just starting to rain. Just starting to rain, which is a shame. But yeah, so we're just going to have a little bit of a chill out. Even Georgie had a swim. Look. See if I show you him. Turn you around. Look. Georgie. Oh, wet. Yeah, there was definitely lots of splashing going on.
And definitely lots of running around afterwards.
Yeah, he goes mad when he gets wet. So yeah, so we're going to have a cup of tea, get warmed up, and then chill out for a bit. Get ready for the football, I think. I don't know what time it is. What time is it?
I think it should be the 5 o'clock.
It's only half 12. Yeah, we're 5 o'clock kick-off. It's only half 12 now. So yeah, we're going to chill out, and then we'll watch the footy. Hopefully the rain stops. We're hopefully going to put it on the projector outside, but we'll see what the weather does. Whether that determines what we do and what have you. But yeah, let's have a good tea, get warmed up, get Georgie warmed up, and he's not happy. So we've got some leaf racing going on.
Go, Leafy, go!
Oh, we've got an early lead there by Laura.
Oh, that's going. Oh, it might get the current. It might go soon. Oh, Uncle Dan's taking over. I can't see it. Oh. Go, Leafy, go! Go on!
Oh, are they getting a move on now?
Oh, they might all get stuck. Oh no! They've got in the edges. Oh no! Oh, they're stuck. Oh.
Ah, they've sunk.
Oh no! Oh no, there's one coming.
Oh.
Oh, who's it? I don't know. Long one. Oh, it's stuck. The long one. Right, so we just go further out into the water then.
Well, no, it's not.
Further out.
No winners, no chicken dinners.
Stick racing.
Right, so
There,
Dad's got a double stick. I got a knobbly stick and Eve's got a smooth stick.
Hey up there.
Look at that fishy, look at that fishy.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go, sticks. Go. It is.
Yeah, quite.
I can only see 2.
Auntie Laura's is not doing so well. Oh, Neve is definitely winning.
Oh, Neve's gonna win. Slipstream. Neve wins.
Yep.
Then Dan second. And Laura coming up the rear.
Busy keeping this thing quiet.
Because she's caught on that
I
step.
know. But she was back.
So Mr. R is off fishing. He's going to show us what he's caught.
Then that's it. Got him.
You got it?
Yeah.
Have a look. See what you got.
It's a small one.
Ah, little tiddler. Use your hands to pick it up then.
No.
Go on.
Just, The last biggest one. I've had it last week. You can get one that time.
Fast enough. See if we can get another one.
Big one.
You got it. Oh, that's a decent one, isn't it? Yeah, look. Harry the fisherman. And that's the beauty of the simplest sights. You'll never see Harry just fishing with a net in water. He's always got his head in his phone or in the computer. So one of the benefits of getting out here is that that's all he does. Gets out there, does a little bit of fishing, it's outside. So yeah, chill out now, watch a bit of the football, come on England. Alright, so that's the England game done. We didn't cook tonight, we had takeaway, so a cheeky takeaway, so we had pizza from, I don't even know where it was from, but it was really nice actually. UK pizzas, definitely recommend if you ever come to this campsite and what have you. UK pizzas, you'll notice I've got the mic on my hat, so I dropped the magnet in the river earlier on, which is really annoying. So yeah, so we have watched England, had some pizzas, come on England. Winning on penalties, not like us as well, so yeah, nervy game, but great to see him win. And what have you so on to the semi-finals we go. Mr. Harry there, who was coming back. So yeah, so I think we're just going to have a chilled out evening now. The sun has come back out. So yeah, I think we're going to have a quiet one with family, few drinks, sat over the river, just enjoying a little bit of music and what have you in this summer sunshine. So we will see you guys in the morning before we pack up. And what have you. So yeah, we'll have a nice chilled out evening and see you in the morning.
Bye.
Say, come on England.
Come on England.
There we go. Penalties.
Penalties.
Whoop, whoop.
We're taking George to the dog park.
George is going to the dog park as well. Again for like the 5th time as well. He's going to be knackered, bless him, for days on end. Alright, so yeah, see you guys in the morning. There we go, right, good morning everybody. So last day, pack up day as usual, Sunday morning, ready to go home. But a good weekend? Enjoyed yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like we were saying, this is one of our favourite sites, one of the simplest sites you'll get, no electric or anything like that, but beautiful river as you'd have seen coming through. And what have you, and so we just spend loads of time sat over the river, playing in the water, just spending time as a family, which is great. Again, really affordable, so people pay a lot of money to go on some sites sometimes, I think, but this one here is, it was £15 a night for over the weekend. I think if you stay longer, he does it a bit cheaper as well, actually. So yeah, really good landowner as well. He comes round, sees everybody and stuff like that. I think it's sort of just his own little like business. He lives up in the village, I think, or something. So yeah, really good. Well worth a visit if you're ever in the area. So it's Riverside Gardens, camping and caravanning club site, but I think he's advertising other places as well, and what have you. So yeah, so that is us for this weekend. So just to pack up, shouldn't take too long, so we just got a simple setup this time. Next weekend we're out again, so 3 weekends in a row we've done, which is unusual for us, but we're at Woodhall Spa next weekend. So camping with our own deer, which is East Yorkshire deer, on Woodhall Spa United's football pitch, which is always interesting, loads of space for the kids to kick a ball and stuff. And then we'll walk into the village, and that normally it's the 1940s weekend, which is a fantastic weekend, but it's been cancelled this year, like a lot of events in the region, unfortunately. But we'll still have a fantastic weekend, show you the area, hopefully taking some of the history of the place, because it's all linked to like the World War and stuff like that. Fingers crossed we might see a flyover of the bomber as well, because that often goes over the village, and we've often seen that when we've been sat having a drink and stuff. So fingers crossed we'll catch that. If not, it'll still be an amazing weekend and what have you. So until we see you in the field next time, have a good one, and we'll see you in the next one.